I gave you my heart. So I haven't really talked much on the vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog, even though we're halfway through it already. Hope you're enjoying the vlog. But I just want to come on because one, I just like chatting with you guys, and two, I just want to not just do time lapse because this vlog is going to be mostly time lapse, but I hope you enjoy that. It is going to be a bit of normal video as well. First, let me know in the comments how you're dealing with this weather. I know some people in England right now are on and off rain and sun, but I saw on the weather today that it's gonna be a heat wave again for England. I'm guessing it's just for England because we're getting I would say a heat wave this week. Don't know if it's carrying on next week, but let me know in the comments how you're dealing with it, because I love the warm weather, but when it's sticky and clammy and all that, I don't like it. I just want it to be warm. No, none of the stickiness and can't get comfortable. But except from that, I also want to say, if any of you guys are not following my TikTok account, here's your chance here. I'm nearly at 300 followers on there. I had one video blow up about my cerebral palsy, and once again I've put myself into that niche. But it's my lifestyles, and I like doing vlogs, I like doing lifestyle videos, and that's what my lifestyle is. Here's my cerebral palsy and day to day how I deal with it, and just showing you guys my life. And I love fashion. I love spreading awareness to things that people should learn about. Also, I want to say, I thought I said this in my last vlog, but I've also got a Facebook group. I'm nearly at 60 members, so if you want to join and you've got Facebook, go and join. The link will be in the description, and I will try and link my TikTok as well. Also, with my Facebook group, you get all the sneak peek, you get the first choice of what videos I'm doing, and you get the first choice of thumbnails if I didn't post it on my Instagram, everything like that. You get the sneak peek and the first choice of everything on this channel. So if you want to be involved with that, go give it a join. Also, I interact with you guys. I ask you about your day, how you're doing, and things like that. But I'm going to have my lunch now. The next clip is probably me painting my box that I got. I'm painting a box pastel colour, and I've got some shells from our North Coast 500 holiday that I'm going to glue on the top. sleep. I'll see you in the morning. I'm gonna end this vlog here because I actually need to get it up today. It's 12 o'clock. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna tidy the rest of my room. I will be probably vlogging tomorrow. I don't know yet. Haven't decided. So there might be a vlog on Friday or Sunday again. But if you did like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye!